Now, coming to sign language, both of you have studied this for the movie, which is incredible, I think. That's a lot of effort.
Thanks.
Can you teach me how to say hi in that language?
हाय तो हाय ही होता है.
हाय तो हाय होता है, ऐसे करते हैं.
Which is
और ऐसे
teach
होता है
me
गुड
something.
मॉर्निंग. गुड
good morning,
या
A good night.
या
good night.
Night.
Oh, like dhal
दिन
gaya.
ढल गया. हाँ.
Yeah.
That is interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
Feeling
Feeling
happy.
happy and sad.
Nice. ऐसे होता है.
How do you say I'm going to kill you?
जी.
How do you say I'm going to kill you?
You will know.
आगे मारूंगा.
अब अगर वो बंदूक यूज करे तब भी ऐसे करना.
Start again.
शबीना जी को फोन लगा.
Hi everybody, my name is Sakshma Srivastav and I hope that all of you are happy and healthy. Today on the show I have the cast of the Z5 suspense film Berlin. Hi guys. Welcome.
Hi Sakshma, and what was the star? And I thought, अरे पहली तालियां मारनी शुरू कर दी हमारी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए. How cool is that?
If we cut that, I just did this to start the interview. Context. So we have Apar Shakti Khurana, we have Rahul Bose and we have Ishwak Singh. Welcome again. सबसे पहले Rahul sir, I feel like जब भी movies में
In height order.
In the pecking
no
order.
particular order. I like the color you're wearing, white. So
Oh.
preference.
You got one fan already.
क्या
Yes.
Two
Yeah.
actually.
But-
I'm the first one.
Everybody's your
Love,
fan. I loved you in so
No,
many movies.
Sakshma, it's cream.
I'm so sorry.
This is just to और listen, ये सिर्फ ना इंटिमिडेट करने के लिए कह रहे हैं तुम्हें. आप वाइट भी बोलो, इसको कोई तकलीफ नहीं है. ये सिर्फ तुमसे
वो
पंगा
अभी भी
लेने
character में है.
के लिए. हाँ, अभी भी.
I was saying that whenever there are raw or intelligence services officers in the movie, when they're playing such roles, there is a certain style and there is a certain intimidation, ek rutba. I think they are very cool characters to watch. You have played the character. आपको कितना मजा आया ये character play करने में? And what did you enjoy the most?
Seriously, I'm asking this question. Did you really think that something stylish or style or वो
Yes.
रुतबा है उसमें?
I'll tell you why.
That's just
Yeah,
your
no.
sexy personality shining through.
That too, but for
I was
for the
trying to
90s.
mute my sex appeal.
You don't think power is stylish?
Achha, one second.
It is.
The laugh that you gave, if you had agreed with me, you would have gone,
Yeah.
what you went was,
No.
what crap is he talking?
But honestly, for the 90s, I think you look very stylish in that particular.
No, I think it was his
and
personality
his
shining through.
and overall his body language.
More than anything, more than the
I
outfit.
find
I thought he
these
was
characters
repulsive.
very attractive.
I thought he was repulsive.
Okay.
I don't know if you should.
Have you seen his mustache?
But one thing she said, which I really agree with.
I meant the
that-
aura.
No. Sakshama, you said something very interesting. That power is stylish.
Yeah.
And it is.
Power is sexy.
You know, power is sexy,
Whew.
isn't it?
I felt Nawazuddin sir was very, very powerful in Kahani because of the role he was playing.
What did he play?
He was a police officer
Police
in this
Or was he a good guy or a bad guy?
bad guy. How much did you enjoy playing the character?
Immensely. If I have to terrorize this man for 119 minutes, what could give me greater play? Let me tell you. When I was offered this film, I said, who are the other actors? So Atul said, Ishwak Singh and Apar Shakti Khurana. They're young, talented, and good looking. So I said, I'm not doing this film.
Why?
Then he said, but you have to hate them. I said, I'm doing this film. Easy. Easy. No problem.
Oh,
You know, I burn with jealousy. I burn with hatred. Perfect.
And right from the word go, he has
What-
hated us.
Word go. Word go.
Dil
Word
se.
go.
Nafrat.
And nothing has changed, as you can see.
Now, coming to sign language, both of you have studied this for the movie, which is incredible, I think. That's a lot of effort.
Thanks.
Can you teach me how to say hi in that language?
हाय तो हाय ही होता है.
हाय तो हाय होता है, ऐसे कर दो.
Which is
और ऐसे
teach
होता है
me
good
something.
morning. Good morning.
good morning,
Yeah.
A good night.
Yeah.
good night.
Night.
Oh, like dhal
दिन
gaya.
ढल गया. हाँ.
Yeah.
That is interesting.
Yes.
Okay.
Feeling
Feeling
happy.
happy and sad.
Nice. Sad. ऐसे होता है.
How do you say, I'm going to kill you?
जी.
How do you say, I'm going to kill you?
You will know.
आगे मारूंगा.
अब अगर वो बंदूक यूज करे तब भी ऐसे करना.
Start again.
शबीना जी को फोन लगा.
So your tutor.
So our teacher is Shabina ma'am.
The three of you seem to have really good camaraderie, I have to say. ऐसा कोई incident that stands out in your memory from the sets where you really bonded and enjoyed that particular day?
यार मैं जब शूटिंग कर रहा होता ना, आई एम zoned in. तो कई बार वैन हमारी जगह कम होती थी तो साथ साथ होती थी, या कब you know sometimes really like, so I'd be crossing a van where they'd be chilling, and I'd hear them like, you know, one person rolling on the floor and the other person like, it's like laughing their heads off. I used to wonder क्या बातें हो रही हैं, तो मुझे बड़ा FOMO होता था, but because I'm like नहीं यार मुझे अभी focused रहना है. So towards the last end of the shoot, you know, when that day we hung out with you, when you told us, he's a great, he's got wonderful stories, of course, and
He's a wonderful storyteller. Oh my God! Apart from the 2 films he has written and directed,
वो जो आपने वो stage वाली story सुनाई थी, stage टूटने वाला था वो. We just died laughing. So yeah, I mean, it's so much fun.
you need to have a
listening to it.
separate show for 3 stories. Stage टूटने वाली story, दिल धड़कने दो choreography story, and
Nasir and Akbar.
and he has friends. Nasir and Akbar. His nickname is Naz. He would
Naz.
tell you a story about Naz and then his brother Akbar, and there's this hospital attached to it. Location जो है उसकी वो
And their
hospital.
father, yeah.
And their father. Dude,
Do you know the story?
I just can't believe, I can't forget it. It's been about 2 years he told me that story. This was during the shoot of Berlin. I can't get this off my head.
You've left us very
Yeah.
curious now.
Separate show for
built
that.
it up till you're
Separate
inside
show. Separate
next
show. Separate
आपको
coffee session.
Berlin
firstly
2
with
की
him.
shooting पे आना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
Now that I'm invited, we'll do the next segment with you, which is a rapid fire 5 questions. Try to answer them in 1 word if you can.
Okay, let's go.
First one. Besides acting, what do you think is the most important quality that an actor should have?
Being a good human being.
Okay.
Empathy.
Having a killer instinct.
Okay. A movie you can never get tired of watching.
जाने भी तो यार.
You go.
Birdman.
We'll have to move on. I
Too
can't.
many or none?
There are too many actually.
Oh,
Yeah, there are. कितने हैं? Anyway,
okay. No problem. Next. Who was your favorite actor growing up?
Dilip Saab.
Brando.
SRK, Mr. Bachchan, so many.
Somebody
Nasir
always
Saab.
says Shah Rukh Khan. Like, that's incredible. Okay. Where you watch your movies more? Theater or OTT?
In the current climate, OTT.
Okay.
On my phone.
So OTT.
Yes. No, yes, OTT. Yeah.
Same.
OTT? Is it because of Berlin or? No, right?
I think
Just can't. The logistics of going and coming into you can't do it as often as you watch on your phone, right?
True, true.
You said which one do you watch more?
More,
Which do we enjoy more? Theater.
yeah.
Theater.
Yeah.
Okay. Last one.
Yes.
Last movie that made you cry.
Oh, there are many.
The last one.
I get pretty emotional.
Yeah. I cried during Casper.
The Ghost one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice movie.
I recently saw you know, the Angry Young Man, and I think I cried so much while
The
watching
documentary.
Javed Saab and Salim.
Yes. I agree. I cried when Javed Saab was talking about hunger and sleep, and when Salim Saab spoke about his mother who had tuberculosis,
Yeah.
and she couldn't come close to her son. She didn't recognize him after a few years.
बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें
She
तकदीर के ऊपर जो लाइन बोली.
Yeah. I agree.
बहुत करे.
I agree.
Yeah, same. You know, I got
Same.
pretty
The
emotional.
documentary.
Yeah.
And his reaction on कि यार जब भी वो एक किसी स्वांकी होटल में जाते हैं, वहाँ पे इतना पॉश माहौल होता है और एक इंसान
Yeah.
ब्रेकफास्ट लेकर आता है और सामने कॉफी,
बात जो उन्होंने
हाफ
बोली,
फ्राइड
so
एग्स, ये सब पड़ा होता है और उनको बिलीव नहीं होता है कि उनके लिए आया है.
Have you seen it, Zakshma?
Yes.
But I mean, the most recent time I cried was when Ishwak got the award and I didn't.
Congratulations on that, by the way.
Thank you.
That was really awesome. Thank you so much for your time. And
Thank
all the
you.
very best for Berlin. Releases on the 13th of September on Z5. Do watch it and enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
you.
Lakshman. Thank you.